Oh, where's Marcos? Did I ask? Should I go bathroom?
Okay, go.
And you just say
And last one?
Did I ask?
No, last one.
Yeah, well, did I ask?
Ask. You ask. I'm done po. I'm done.
When you're done, put your paper on the top of this table.
Where?
Is
How?
that the lead?
I'm done.
Is that the lead? There's something wrong.
Haha. See?
I told you. There's another box. Told you.
Just try to check, double check.
Look, there's only 3 boxes here, but there's 4 here.
It's new.
3, then 4.
Okay, what you do? This one, no need to write. Only these 2 letters, okay? No need to write this long.
No way.
Words.
That's another. Again?
Then Muhammad, what to do? Take the page 3 and page 4, then starts again.
Oh man, that's too bad. Oh no, guys.
Sa ngalan ng Allah, ang pinakamahabagin at pinakamawain, bigkasin mo o Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam ang anumang ipinahayag sa iyo na mula sa dakilang Quran bilang iyong pagsisimula sa pangalan ng iyong Rab o Panginoon na tagapaglikha, na siya ang lumikha ng lahat ng tao mula sa namumuong dugo na malapot. Bigkasin mo o Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam ang anumang ipinahayag sa iyo at katiyakan ang iyong Panginoon na tagapaglikha ay sagana sa kabutihan at malawak ang kanyang kagandahang loob, na siya ang nagturo sa kanyang mga nilikha ng pagsusulat sa pamamagitan ng panulat.